Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku with 2 stars. In this additional with extra Sudokus in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, May the 1st, 2021. It's yesterday's newspaper because today we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday. And the second Sudoku is a 2-star Sudoku, will be number 2728. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's get started. 2 stars. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so if it's the 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And if it's a 4 stars, 30 minutes or more I need to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see here a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. All right. Then how about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is the number 1. All right, the 1. Okay. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, another 1 there, so no 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. So we have a 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay, 1. Then 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here also a 9, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. Second column. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. All right. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 6. All right. 6. Then 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6 and this box should be a 4. All right. 4, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, and 9. Okay, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are missing. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 7 goes there. All right. All right. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. 9. Okay, 9. 9. Okay. 4. Yeah. 4. Oh, yeah. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. So no 4 in this box. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. Then 1. Yeah. 6. Interesting. 3. 9. 6. Okay. A lot of pairs. Yeah, let me put some numbers. Do we have all the 5s? No. Yeah. 8. 3. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Same with the 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. The 9 could be here, could be there. All right. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 2, 3, 4. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 6 would be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 6 would be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 8. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. So we have an 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and a 7. 7. Okay. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. All right, so one box left in this row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so those two boxes I've marked with the 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. All right, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Okay, 4, 2, 7, 4, 2, 7. Okay. 9, 9. Yeah. 3, 3. Come on. 1, 1. I need pairs. 3, 7. I need a lot of pairs. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4. No 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. All right. Yes, 2 numbers left in this column. In this column, the 2 numbers are the 1 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. So we have a pair, 1 and 8 in the last column, 1 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6, and the 8 goes there. All right. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. All right. Okay. 2 and Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. All right, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Okay. Well, those 2 numbers, 7 and 5. Yeah, those missing numbers in the middle row, 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. I've marked those 2 boxes with an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. All right, 1 number left in the 3rd row for the number 2. Yeah, 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. All right, so 9, 3, and the 7 are missing. Yeah, 7. We have a 7 there, so those 2 boxes we have 7. 7, 9, 7, 3, 9, 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 249, 249, 249. And I cannot fill this yet. 249. How about the other 3 numbers in this row? The 1 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. 2 stars, definitely. And I'm pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlists for tectonics, playlists for binaries, playlists for killer Sudokus, or for Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, all kind of puzzles, Sudokus. Just subscribe and find the playlist you want. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic with 1 star and a binary puzzle are left. See you then. Bye bye for now.